Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, salutations for the day. I am Rhonda. I love saying things. And today I'm doing Get Ready With Me with the I Am a Woman, What's Your Superpower palette from Ciate. It is gorgeous. There's way too many colors to do a magic swatch today, but we're going to do a look. And I have a little primer on and everything else, we're starting from scratch. So I'm getting ready for my first day at my new job. I'm very excited. I cannot wait to see what happens. It's a really exciting job at a testing center where I monitor people while they get tested, and it seems like a really great opportunity, and I'm very excited about it. I'm going to start off with some liquid highlighter underneath my foundation. It's a little much. It's a little business casual dress code, so I don't want to get too fancy. That's why I'm using the Ciate palette, because it's a great palette for everyday looks. And we're going to do some concealer next with the Tarte Ultra Creamy and Shape Tape, and I really like it. It is good for my skin. And I just use the tiniest, well, not the tiniest, but a small amount. And then I brush it out with a concealer brush. There are cats literally freaking out at my door. You'll be fine, Ruby. You'll be fine, girl. You don't have to be in here every time I'm in here. They may be scrapping. She's so loud. So anyway, I got hired for this job at the end of June, but I'm now starting at the end of July. So when you see this, I have already been working there for a while, and I hope I like it. Next up, we're going to do some foundation. Oh, this was Danessa Myricks Illuminating Veil in Synergy. I use this quite a bit. And this is in Warm Ivory, but I think I'm going to get the cool tone next time. I mean, this is a pretty good match. I usually try to go for neutral, but this Protect and Perfect foundation doesn't always have what I need in stock. It's only like $16 and it lasts you for a long time. Not everything I use is super fancy dancy. Sometimes I use drugstore, and number 7 is drugstore. You can get it at Ulta, but they don't have the foundation at Ulta. I wish they did, because I could get it with points. And the next step is powder, and my good friend Jeannie, Unfiltered 50s, who's been on sabbatical, gave me this Tatcha translucent powder, and it's fantastic. I take this big fluffy brush, I just set in what needs to be set. I don't powder my whole face. And then we have, that's the base. The base is done. Next up is bronzing. And last time I used the Cover Effects. So this time I'm going to use the Cheek Stars. This is a great bronzing and blush powder, and it's got a great highlighter. So I'm going to take this brush and go into Hoola, which has been well used. And go in under the cheek. It's very natural looking. Put it up on the forehead. And then under the chin. And I'm going to also use the blush in here, which is Sugar Bomb, which I've used quite a bit. And I would put highlighter on, but I've already got highlighter. Voila! So we've got blush, bronzer. Now, time to do brows. And this is a L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer, Ultra Fine Tip in medium brown. Now I just try to fill in where my microblading is fading or where foundation is covered up the brow color. And that looks great. It's super easy, great affordable pencil. And voila, we have brows done. Next up is the eye look. And this palette, I Am a Woman palette, is beautiful. And I can't wait to get in here and play with some colors. Let's see. I'm going to put, some of these colors are very similar. I'm going to put Eleanor Roosevelt in my crease. And that looks super, and I'm totally loving that. I'm going to then go and take jungkook table. No, these are people's names. I'm sorry. These are all named after women. Jungkook Taebei, T-A-B-E-I. Put that in the crease. I mean the outside corner. And it is a shimmer. And it is beautiful. It's a little kick up in the pan. It's going on the eye, like butter. It's gorgeous. Alrighty. I'm going to take Ella Fitzgerald here and swipe it on my lid with my finger. If you didn't know, Ella Fitzgerald was a fantastic singer. and that is looking fantastic. Next up, I'm going to go a little darker in the outside corner. I think I'm going to go in with Amelia Earhart. Just add a little depth. That looks great. This is a beautiful look. I'm going to get my fluffy brush and blend it out some. And this is a great first day of work look. Gonna do some liner and mascara. Gonna use the Stila Slay All Day, Stay All Day, not Slay All Day. Where do I think I am? Gerard Cosmetics. And now I'm going to use the Defensals Lash Primer. This stuff is amazing. I'm going to use the Essence Lash Princess in False Lash Effect. This makes my lashes look insanely long with this primer. And now my lashes look amazing. And what's left is lip and setting spray. And for my lip, I'm going to use number 120, which is hard to read. So let me grab the magnifying glass. It is called Artist. And there is my work look. And I want to thank you guys so much for being with me here while I got ready for work. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.